Hi, it's Gary Evans at Evans Realty Group. I wanted to reach out to you today, and I hope that your family is staying safe and you're doing the things that you need to help in this uncertain times. In these uncertain times, you may find yourself or you may know someone that is in this situation where they have to sell or buy a home. If so, we can help. We have our virtual showings where you can actually see properties from the convenience of your home, tour those properties online where you don't even have to go out or make contact. We can actually facilitate that for you. We also can offer you our safer showing system should you want to walk through the property with protective gear and a very safe private environment for you. We also have our online home evaluation where we can evaluate your home, let you know what your home may sell for, how long it may take. We do this all through the internet. We don't even have to come over and see your home. So if any of these services can be of value to you or someone you know, please let us know. There are those that have to sell and have to buy even in these uncertain times, and we're here to help. So please, everyone, stay safe. Follow the health guidelines. We'll all get through this together. Thank you.